Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. If you're always on the lookout for simple, kid-friendly desserts that also make the big people happy, then today's recipe is it. Fluffy cinnamon tortilla dessert cups are easy enough for kids to make and a huge hit with everyone. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. So come on in. Let's cook up something good.
This recipe makes 24 dessert cups, and these are the ingredients I'll be using today. 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 box of instant white chocolate pudding mix, 2 cups of milk, 1 8-ounce container of thawed frozen whipped topping, 12 flour tortillas in small soft taco size, butter flavor spray, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1/3 cup of semi-sweet dark chocolate chips.
Part one is to make the filling and get it into the fridge to chill. This should only take me about 10 minutes.
First, I mix my cream cheese on medium-high until it's nice and smooth. I whisk together the instant pudding mix with 2 cups of milk for 2 minutes and then allow it to set for 2 more minutes. With my mixer set on medium-high, I mix together the pudding and my cream cheese until well blended and then fold in my Cool Whip by hand. I cover and refrigerate while I move on to part 2.
Next, I set my oven to 350 degrees and allow it to come up to temperature. While that's happening, I prepare and cut my tortillas, and then I bake them, let them cool, fill them up, top them off, and I'm done.
I start by microwaving my tortilla for 10 seconds to soften it, then spray to the edges with butter flavor spray and dust with cinnamon and sugar. Then flip and repeat. Next, I slice the tortillas with a pizza cutter. I place 1/4, rounded side first, into the muffin tin and dab with a few drops of water. Then I add a second quarter, rounded side first, overlapping the tortillas, and then press them together. Finally, I repeat with the other 2/4 and continue the entire process until the pan is full. Once my tortilla cups are baked and cool enough to touch, maybe 2 minutes, I give each one a little turn to make sure they don't stick in the muffin tin. I then allow them to cool completely in the pan, which should take around 5 to 10 minutes. Now I add about 3 tablespoons of filling to each cup using a large spoon. You can also pipe in the filling, but a spoon works just fine for me. Next, I add my chocolate chips to a small zippered freezer bag and microwave on high for about 30 seconds at a time until the chocolate is completely melted. I cut a small hole in one corner of the bag and squeeze the chocolate onto the tops of my tortilla cups. When that's done, it's back to the refrigerator for at least 5 minutes or until I'm ready to serve.
One last tip on this great dessert. These can be made ahead of time and they travel really well. Just keep your baked tortilla cups in an airtight container at room temperature, and then your filling chilled, covered in the fridge until you're ready to put them together. Unassembled, these will keep well for up to 3 days. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell for more recipes that'll bring your family to the dinner table where family is built. Because if you feed them, they will come.
Oh! Wasn't expecting that.
Well, let's have you do another one.
Yes, let's.